We'll guide you through how to fix missing apps on an Android. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because perhaps trying to go and use a specific app, but you're unable to go and find it and it's missing. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide, which will go and solve it for you. So, without any further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, what we want to do is go and swipe up. This will go and open up your app pages, and here you can go and swipe across. So not all apps on your phone are going to be shown on your home pages necessarily. So you can go and swipe up and swipe through here. The quickest way to go and check though is to go and press search at the top. And what you can then do is go and search for the app or apps that you may think could be missing. So let's go and say it was Facebook. I could then go and type that in like so, and we can go and see if we can go and find it. As you can see, there it is. And if you then want to go and add it to your home pages, you can go and tap and hold it. You'll get a pop-up and you can go and press add to home and it'll then go and be added there. So you can easily go and access it. Now, if it's still not showing up there, the next thing you want to do is, this is primarily for system apps if they're missing and not showing, is we can go and swipe up, find settings. You can always go and search at the top for settings. Now in settings, what we need to do is we need to come down and we're looking for the option for apps, as you can see, and you can then tap in here. Now apps, for example, the Play Store and other system apps like that can actually go and be disabled, which will then go and hide them. So what we want to do is make sure they're enabled. So we'll guide you through doing that here in the apps list. So you can scroll down and go and find it. Of course, you can always go and use a search in the top right as well. For example, here's the Play Store. Let's go and tap on it. And at the bottom, there's the option for disable. So let's go and say it had been disabled. Then what you can do is go and enable it. And then that will go and get it showing again. If you're still finding that it's missing, the next thing you want to do is come onto your home screen. Tap and hold in some blank space like so. And your screen is going to go and pop up like this. Come to the bottom right and you want to go and press settings there and wait for them to open. In here, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option hide apps on home and app screens. So potentially the app may have been hidden. The hidden apps are going to go and appear at the top. If you want to go and unhide them, you can then go and tap on them at the top to go and remove them. And then you can go and find them on the app pages again. Last of all, if you're still finding you can't go and find it, open up the Play Store. What you want to do is go and press search at the bottom and you can then go and search for it at the top. Go and find it, and if you go and see the option for install, this indicates it's not even on the device. So you can then go and install it and go and open it up. And that may actually be the case that it's been deleted or removed from the device.